Hello there and welcome. It's Muhammad Al-Haj, Chief Operation Officer at Infosysta, and I welcome you to Jira Con 21 event hosted by Trundl, and I'm so excited to be with you in this session, which is titled Extend Jira Accessibility. Now, let's start by who we are. We are Infosysta, and Infosysta is an Atlassian Platinum partner and a Gold Marketplace vendor. As a marketplace vendor, our focus is to extend Jira accessibility. That is, to allow users to access Jira from everywhere and anywhere. Example, from Google products, Microsoft products, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Android devices, iOS devices, and several other products. Now, what are the objective of this session? First, we're gonna discuss the Jira Service Management and social media integration, Jira and email apps integration, how to access Jira and JSM through mobile apps, and how to benefit from different utilities that extend Jira functionalities. So let's start with the categories of the apps that we're gonna discuss today. The first category is the social media integration. In this category, we have the three main apps: WhatsApp connector for Jira, Twitter connector for Jira, and Facebook connector for Jira. For the mobile apps category, we have two main mobile apps: Mobile for Jira, which is the top selling product, and JSM Service Management Portal, which is supporting the portal side for Jira Service Management. In the email integration category, we will discuss Google to Jira G2J and OTJ Jira for Outlook. In the last category, we have utilities that are applications that extend the Jira functionality and provide more features that is beneficial for the users, such as in-app and desktop notification for Jira and attachment manager for Jira. So these are the main apps that we're gonna discuss in our call today. First, for the first objective, which is Jira Service Management and social media integration, we asked ourselves, what are the top 6 support channels to improve your customer service? And we find that we have the social media, we have the email, self-service, for example, like the KB Knowledge articles, YouTube videos, GIF images, blogs, anything that help the customer to provide the needed support for him. We have the phone, live chat, and the video assisted like WebEx, TeamViewer, etc. So we targeted first in the social to integrate the social media with Jira Service Management, and we started with WhatsApp connector for Jira. Now, WhatsApp is ranked the world's most popular instant messaging app to communicate with each other, with 2 billion active users worldwide. It is immediate, personal, and global in reach, making it a great tool for customers to reach out to businesses. Keeping that in mind, we've created WhatsApp connector for Jira to interact with WhatsApp messages from Jira Service Management and boost customer engagement. Here we bring two different platforms together. We bring a collaboration tool, a communication tool, a tool that each other can communicate with themselves, that is WhatsApp, and we bring an ITSM solution for service management, for customer support, such as Jira Service Management, for which the customer will reach you through your WhatsApp business account. It will send you a message, and WhatsApp connector for Jira that is powered by Twilio. That means you need to have a Twilio account that integrates with WhatsApp business platform. Whenever this message arrives to WhatsApp connector, it will transform it into a ticket in Jira Service Management. And the agent will be able to manage this request, to view the SLAs, to be aware about the time to response, to benefit from canned responses, to benefit from related KB Knowledge articles, and to manage the overall ticket, and he can even delegate this ticket to any team member. Okay, and whenever an agent added a public comment, it will be transformed into a WhatsApp reply. We're gonna see that in the coming slide. So the customer will be able to share a message through WhatsApp and WhatsApp connector for Jira will transform it automatically to a Jira ticket. And the agent will be able to view the detail of that ticket, to benefit from Jira Service Management features, such as SLAs, such as canned responses, KB knowledge articles, automation, something like that, and he can respond directly from Jira Service Management to WhatsApp. The second social media integration is Twitter connector for Jira. Now, Twitter is a great marketing tool for several reasons. The platform is free to use, allows you to share and promote branded content in seconds, expand your reach, allows you to provide a quick customer service and support. But when it comes to KPIs, reports, time to respond, team management, delegating tasks within the team, things will get tough. But Twitter connector for Jira came to resolve such market need, where you can benefit from Twitter as a channel, as a support channel, and from Jira Service Management as a management tool. So the same concept as WhatsApp connector for Jira, okay? You'll be receiving tweets and direct messages from Twitter on your Twitter account. Twitter connector for Jira will convert that into Jira tickets, and whenever an agent responds to that ticket, Twitter connector for Jira will take it back as a reply to the tweets on Twitter. And we can see that in the upcoming slide. So the customer can mention your company account in a tweet, okay? And this tweet will be transformed into Jira ticket. So the agent will be able to view all the needed details coming from Twitter as a Jira ticket. Now the agent can view the Jira ticket and can add a public comment to respond to that customer. And this comment will be a reply with your Twitter account on Twitter to that customer tweet. In addition to that, we have the direct messages. You know that in Twitter, customers can reach you either by tweet, mentioning you in a tweet, or by a direct message. So whenever the customer click on contact us and want to send you a direct message, this direct message will be transformed into a Jira ticket. And whenever an agent responds by a public comment, this comment will be transformed into a reply to that direct message as a stream. Now, the third social media connector is Facebook connector for Jira. Facebook, with an estimated 2.9 billion users worldwide, chances are it's very likely to have a customer using that platform. So it's important to have a customer service presence to support people who are interested in your brand through this platform. The good news is Facebook Messenger is an excellent tool for supporting customers. It's a built-in live chat feature that can be integrated with your help desk. Now, the same concept as Twitter and WhatsApp, we have the platform that is Facebook. Through this platform, customers can mention, can post on your page directly, can click on the contact us button that will open Messenger and send you messages. Here, Facebook connector for Jira will interfere as a man in the middle and get these data from Facebook and transform them into Jira tickets in Jira. And whenever an agent interact on this ticket, it will be automatically replicated on Facebook, either as a reply to the direct message on Messenger or as a comment on the customer post. So we can see here that whenever the user click on contact us and send a message through Messenger, this message will be transformed into a ticket in Jira, and the agent will be able to view all the details about the Facebook user who reached you, about the Facebook message itself, if it is a direct message or a support ticket, something like that. And the user can easily, and the agent can easily respond to that message with a public comment. Okay, here we can see that whenever an agent add a public comment from Jira, it will be transformed as a message in the direct message itself. Now, as a hint here, we've released Facebook connector for Jira, and so far it's approved by Atlassian, but still pending approval from Facebook on our business account manager. It's available on the marketplace, but to benefit from the full functionality of this product, it also needs approval from Facebook on our business account manager, and we expect that to be done within a month from now. Now, for the second topic in our speaking session, we will talk about the Jira and email apps integration. That is mainly Google and Microsoft. Now, Gmail and Outlook are the two heavyweights of the email world. Gmail has 1.5 billion customers, and Outlook has 400 million users. And since email is considered an important support channel to improve customer satisfaction, we went through and integrated Google Apps and Microsoft Outlook with Jira. So here we have two different products on Atlassian Marketplace, which is Google to Jira G2J that integrates with Google Apps, and OTJ Jira for Outlook that integrates with Microsoft product. So let's start with Google to Jira G2J. Now, this product integrates with Google Apps that are Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Groups, where you can create Jira tickets and manage Jira tickets directly from Gmail. So let's say, for example, your marketing team, your sales team, your managers, they don't need to access Jira itself. They can do that directly from Gmail. For this product, we have two different applications. We have a Chrome extension available on the Chrome store named Jira, and a JSuite application available on JSuite Marketplace named Jira GTJ Connector. For the first product, for the JSuite product, through this application, you will be able to find this application whenever you install it from Google Workspace Marketplace. You will have the G2J icon in the left and the right ribbon. Whenever you click on an email and you click on this icon, you'll be able to create a new ticket as shown in the screenshots. You'll be able to attach the information from the email automatically, to add a comment, to upload attachment, and the ability to log time on the email that you are working on. Now, the benefit of this connector specifically is that it doesn't depend on the browser or the operating system, and even if it is a laptop or a mobile device. So it's install once and work everywhere. For the second application, that is the Chrome extension, whenever you install it from the Chrome store, it will appear in your browser and it will appear in your Gmail application. So you'll be able to create, edit, and comment on Jira tickets using Google Mail, and even from Google Groups. If you are making use of Google Groups as a support channel, you can directly create tickets from there. You can upload attachment from Google Drive. You can log work from Google Calendar. You can, and since it is a Chrome extension, you can select a text in any article, in any blog, right-click, and create a ticket directly from there. Now, the second product is the OTJ Jira for Outlook that integrates with Microsoft products. Also, we have two different kinds of application, the Windows installer and the Microsoft App Source. The Windows installer is specifically for the Windows user that have Microsoft Outlook application available on their Windows account, and the Office 365 application that is available on Microsoft App Source. The difference between two applications, the Windows installer, whenever you use it, you don't need to have a Microsoft Office 365 account, a paid Microsoft Office 365 account. So for example, if you are making use of Outlook as an application and you are viewing your Gmail account on Outlook, you can make use of this application on Outlook itself. But the second one, that is OTJ Jira for Outlook, the Office 365 one, you need to have a Microsoft Office 365 account, a paid license. And whenever you have that, you can install the application from the Microsoft App Source. And the benefit of this application is that it's the same as the G2J connector, the JSuite application. It's install once and work everywhere. For this application, the same concept as Gmail, you'll be able to create a new ticket from Outlook directly. You will be able to create a ticket from an email The subject of the email will be embedded in the summary. The description the body of the email will be embedded in the description, the attachment and the attachment field, and you'll be able to create a ticket directly from the email. You can add a comment. You can even view the related ticket on this email. Whenever you create a ticket related to this email, you'll be able to view all the tickets that you create related to the email itself, and you can have several actions, like you can assign a user, you can comment, and something like that. Now, for the third topic in our speaking session, that is accessing Jira and JSM through mobile apps. Here we have two different mobile apps. We have JSM Service Management Portal that transform Jira Service Management Portal, specifically the Portal 1 that the customer access, into a mobile app and facilitate your help center accessibility. So this application is targeted to Jira Service Management Portal side and can be accessed by your customer users. The second application is Mobile for Jira, the top vendor application. It is the enterprise Jira mobile solution that supports third-party apps, integration, and suitable for Android and iOS. This application supports Jira Service Management, Jira Software, Jira Core, and Jira Work Management. Let's start with JSM Mobile Service Management Portal. So this application transforms your web portal, your service management web portal, into a mobile application. So the user is able to create the ticket, to check the created requests, to follow up on things, to view the activities on the request itself, to view the KB knowledge articles. So we can see that, for example, in the mobile application, the customer can select the portal he needs to create a ticket in, can select the request type, can check the create screen and input the needed data, and he can view the request that he created, and even he can view the comments, the transition that happened on the ticket itself, and he can apply several actions like adding a comment, updating a status, uploading attachment, approving, declining a ticket, and he can view the different ticket he created. So this application will help the customer or your employees in the company to follow up on things directly from mobile. Also, this application expanded to support several third-party applications such as Insight Asset Management, Elements Connect that connect third-party apps. For example, if you need to connect a CRM tool to Jira, you can make use of Elements Connect. It supports also Refined Theme for Jira if you want to have a specific theme other than the classic one in the Jira portal. You can make use of Refined Theme. And for example, in the Refined Theme, we support categorizing, we support navigation content, we support adding links, we support having a quick actions, for example. And also this application supports two-factor authentication, SSO, to have a better security on the login process. It supports Divinity products such as translation for Jira and extension for Jira. By extension for Jira, we targeted the dynamic forms. For example, whenever you select a field, the value of this field will alter the values of the rest fields. Now, the good point for this application is it can be branded. You can say that, okay, but this application, our customer will be making use of it, and we don't want to brand the name of JSM Mobile. So it's okay. We can brand this application for you to include your company name, company logo, colors, and even your customer don't need to enter the base URL. It can be pre-configured in the mobile application. So your company you will have a new mobile application available on App Store, Play Store, for your customers to access it with your colors, name, and logo. The second mobile app, which is Mobile for Jira, that supports Jira Software, Jira Work Management, Jira Service Management, Jira Core, that is suitable for any users such as managers, leaders, project managers, product owner, agents, developer, marketeers. In this application, it supports all the features included in Atlassian mobile app. And in addition to that, it supports the ability to view dashboards and to view the third-party dashboards such as custom charts. As we can see in the previous slide, here we can see a view of custom charts and EasyBI. It supports third-party add-ons such as Insight, Asset Management, Elements Connect, Dynamic Forms, Tempo Fields, two-factor authentication, SSO solutions. You can navigate between service management queues and benefit from KB articles, SLAs, portal, ticket information. You can approve, decline a ticket, the service management feature. You can benefit from fields ordering and tabs if your Jira admin have a specific architect for the create screen. We do support that in Jira Mobile, and Mobile for Jira. Now, the fourth topic is utilities that extend Jira functionalities. We have in-app and desktop notification. If you are bombarded with a huge number of emails coming from Jira and you are tired from that, you can start receiving instead Jira in-app and desktop notification, and you can stay updated and take action on the fly. The other product is AMJ Attachment Manager for Jira. It is the ultimate toolbox to manage Jira's attachment. You can search, categorize, extract, import, backup, and migrate Jira attachments. For the in-app and desktop notification for Jira, as we mentioned that instead of receiving emails about Jira updates, which most of the time are not relevant and not important for several kind of users, and you need to stop this kind of notifications through email, but you still need to have a place where you can see the update. Now, in Jira Cloud, Atlassian already have a built-in in-app notification, but in Data Center, we implemented the in-app and desktop notification. And the screenshot that we have in the My Issue tab, you will be able to view updates on tickets that you are a reporter, assignee, and or mentioned in the comment. Now, in the Watch Issue tab, you'll be able to view tickets that you are a watcher on it. In the Pin tab, you will be able to view tickets that you pin to check it later on. In the Search tab, you are able to search in all notification and all updates. Something like whenever you search on a ticket or on an update from the email. And you have different action, like you can add a comment, you can watch, you can add watchers. And if the ticket need approval, you can approve, decline directly from the notification panel itself. So it's important, this kind of product is important for your Jira users, and even it's important for your Jira agents to receive notification about upcoming tickets and to take action on the go. The second product is AMJ Attachment Manager for Jira. Through this application, you can extract all your instance attachment. For example, whenever you need to back up attachment, you can extract all the attachments through Attachment Manager for Jira, and you can, for example, upload them to Dropbox. You can extract attachment per project filter. For example, you can specify that I only need an attachment in this filter or in this project. You can import all attachments from another instance if the process is like below. You can extract the attachment from the previous Jira version, and you can import the attachment to the newest version. You can easily search for attachment using our set of JQL function. Now, this is a key feature in the product. For example, in the built-in JQL, there isn't any JQL that provide searching through attachment. Let's say, for example, you need to search for the design tickets in Mobile for Jira project and for the attachment that is of type XD. You only need the XD type. You can't do that with the built-in JQLs, but you can do that through Attachment Manager for Jira, where you can specify the type of attachment, the size of attachments, and different kind of JQLs that is available on our documentation. You can even categorize attachment per project. You can have a version control. For example, if you have a group of designers and they upload the design on the ticket to let you check the updates, and you know that whenever you have a design, you have multiple versions. So in Jira, there isn't version control. Through Attachment Manager for Jira, you will be able to have version control on the attachment itself. You can also limit the size and number of attachments per project, and you'll be able to extract specific attachment through Issue Navigator, as we can see in the dialog here. Now we are about to reach the end of the session, so I need to mention that we are part of the gamification process in the Trundle event, and the points are like below. If you join the speaking session, that one. If you schedule a one-on-one appointment to discuss further on our products, if you follow Infosysta LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter page, you get also a 50 point, and qualification of attendees will enter a raffle. The winner will be announced by October 10, and Infosysta will provide a free 12-month license for both mobile app JSM and mobile for Jira. Now, for those who are interested to have a demo on the social media integration, we are having a demo after this speaking session that is gathering customer requests from different channels, from Facebook, from Twitter, from WhatsApp. Whoever interested, I'm available after the call in the upcoming breakout session. Now we are ready for the question and answer part.